Old Man here, and we have another down and dirty quick dead tree removal. Number 2. That story is coming right up. We've got another dead tree that popped up. Check this one out. We've got a tree, and way up there, there's no top left. In fact, this is very similar to the one we just took down over there a few weeks back. And same situation here. We have a dead tree. We can tell it's a dead tree, obviously, because of everything that fell off of it. But we've also got moss. You can see the starting of moss growing on it. And if you look up towards the top there, don't know if you could see it in this video, but there are mushrooms growing out of the side of the tree, which is telling me this one's dead. This is going to be another down and dirty, quick dead removal. I think I'm going to aim it right over there. The distance on this is probably 45 feet, I'm guessing. Let's see if we do 20, 40, may even be 60 feet. I like the way it's leaning though, because it's leaning and then it curves back in. So I think I'm just gonna let it fall the way we have it there and just drop it right there. Not worried about these smaller ones here. Got myself a new toy over here. New tool, toy, whatever you want to call it. Decided to go with the cobalt axe from Lowe's. We'll use this to tap in some wedges if we need to. Got that as a little present for the holidays. Got the new dogs on there. Got a new air filter in there. I haven't tuned it yet to the air filter, but we may go back and do that later. But I just want to get this quick down and dirty job done, and then maybe we'll go back and tune it up. Get some of this debris out of the way so I can get an exit path in. But I am going to try to drop it like right down the middle here. And I think on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do the traditional cut. I did the home book cut over there and it worked out pretty good. It could have been a little cleaner, but we'll just do the traditional cut to get it down, and then we'll cut the stump back. Probably going to take this one down because it's in the way and it's growing out of this one. And now there's not much to that one, so we'll just chop it and let it fall that way. Come on. We'll let that idle up for a little bit here. Got hung up a little bit here, but that's okay. Small tree. Just move it over. That one's dead too. It's drying out. Snapped right off. So many dead trees back here. Trying to come right through there. Big old dog. Check that out. Oh yeah. Got a little more to cut here, so we'll come back on this side, just make this a little cleaner. I'm way deep in here, so that's okay. cleaner. Look at that, that's nice and clean right there. That's a really good looking traditional cut. We're actually about halfway in. I would have rather been at a third, but we still have enough tree there. It's leaning this way, so as soon as I cut it, it should go down. It's actually a third on this side. Actually, it is about a third. 1, 2, yeah, about 40%. Not bad. We're looking good. That was awesome. That was awesome. You could just see the gap opening up right here as I had the saw in there, and then I was about to get my wedges and put them in. Then I noticed the chain start to move, the chainsaw, and then realized it was starting to open up a little more, and then it just went right over. And look at that. This is a really good clean cut here. I'm really happy with that. The wedge cut is a little off here, but it just fell perfectly right where I wanted it to. So very nice, very nice. Good timber down here, but when we get closer to the end here, same deal as that other one over there. All that wood's rotted out and hollowed through, so you can see we're cracked here. But a lot of this is going to be good, and we can stack it up with all the other wood over there. It just proves the more that you do this, the better you get at it, right? And you can see here it's starting to die out here too. This is the way it fell. But really happy with this clean cut. The hinge here still looks pretty good. All we need to do now is chop up 3/4 of, actually all of it, and roll it over to the edge of the trench there, get it to the other side, get the good wood stacked up over there. Any of the rotten wood I'll probably just toss back in here, let the earth reclaim it. Turn it on. Just ran out of gas. It's all dying off. I've cut down the stump here over on this side, and I may cut down a little more, but I don't have to do that right now. But the main accomplishment here is we've got all these pieces done, and if I am counting this correctly, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 cuts. And all we need to do now is roll these over to the other side. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're at a point where we can close this one out, call it a day, and move on to the next tree. So until next time, peace out.